The art of self-praise. Understanding, blow one's own horn. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, blow one's own horn. This expression is a colorful part of the English language, and understanding it can add a charming layer to your communication skills. So, let's unravel the mystery behind this phrase together. At first glance, blow one's own horn might conjure images of someone literally playing a horn. However, in the context of English idioms, it means to boast or brag about one's own achievements or abilities. This phrase is used when someone is trying to draw attention to their own accomplishments, often in a manner that others might find a little too proud or self-serving. Understanding where phrases come from can help us remember and use them more effectively. The idiom, blow one's own horn, has its roots in historical practices where people literally blew horns to announce arrivals or celebrate victories. Over time, this literal action turned metaphorical, coming to represent the act of announcing one's own achievements with a bit too much enthusiasm. Now, let's see how to weave this phrase into our everyday conversation. Here are a few examples. I don't mean to blow my own horn, but I think I did a great job on this project. He's always blowing his own horn about how many books he's read. It's fine to be proud of your achievements, but there's a fine line before you start blowing your own horn too much. Using this phrase can add a playful or critical nuance to your statement, depending on the context and your tone. Blow one's own horn can be both humorous and critical. It's perfect for informal conversations or to gently tease someone about their self-praise. However, be cautious in formal settings or in cultures where modesty is highly valued. Overusing this phrase, or using it at the wrong time, might come across as disrespectful or insensitive. And there you have it, a deeper understanding of the phrase, blow one's own horn. We hope this exploration adds a fun and nuanced expression to your English repertoire. Remember, language learning is not just about memorizing words and grammar, it's also about embracing the culture and idiomatic expressions that make a language rich and vibrant. Thanks for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.